Hello everyone. Before we start our art session, I want to tell you about the pencils. I told you have to buy one Camlin drawing pencils box. So many people they are confused about it. Means which pencils we have to take and all. So here I made one. I wrote here the numbers of the pencils. See, this is the normal HB pencil. Mostly, usually all kids they are using for the writing and drawing. So this side all H series is there and another side B series is there. So H, 2H, 3H, 4H like that all H series and B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B like this all B series. So what we are getting in H series is hard and light pencils. So we will get hard and very light color. Means it will not dark like our HB pencil. It will go lighter and lighter. And again here in the B series we will get soft and black. Means how we will increase the number that much dark black color we will get in the shading. So for the drawing we need to use HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B. These 6 pencils are enough. That's why I made the underline in this 6 pencil, and in this Camlin drawing pencil box we are getting the same numbers of pencils. So here even I showed here the lid. This is the lid drawing, the lid thickness. Mostly all pencil lids are made by graphite with a soft wood. And I want to tell you one thing, that this H series is mostly useful for the lithography and carpentering work, and this all B series we are using for the drawing. But we don't need these all pencils, so I made this underline of that pencils, and which is available in this box. I got this 6 pencil in this box. You can see here. You can see the thickness also of the thickness of the lid. So we have to use this B series pencils. Thank you. Here I am going to show you according to the number of pencils how we are getting the lines and boldness and softness, and how it will change according to the pencil number. Just first one we'll see here, HB pencil. In HB pencil how we are getting the lines. Again the 2B pencil. It will increase the darkness and softness. 4B pencil, as compared to HB and 2B pencil, the softness and darkness will increase. This is the 6B pencil. We'll get more soft and more dark. Again in 8B pencil, it's even more dark and soft. In the last 10B pencil, the complete black, we can make the dark see here in 10B pencil we can get the complete dark. If we want to make any black object, we can show or we can shade with a 10B pencil. Now, I will show how we can create the tones in a single pencil, like light to dark or dark to light. Holding our pencil, that is very important when we are doing any drawing. Holding in this way, it's not a correct way. If you'll hold like this is the correct way to hold. If you'll hold very near to the tip, this will be the movement of your hand. You can't move it properly and your forms will not come proper. So better you keep your fingers little back on the pencil and then you take your strokes. You can move your fingers and wrist very well in this holding style. If you will hold the pencil very near to the tip, you need to move your complete hand while you are taking any form or any drawing. Instead of that, if you will hold in this way, no need to move your full hand, only with the help of the finger and wrist you can create your forms. Now I am going to explain you about the scribbling. What is the scribbling? The lines we are scribbling on we are making on the paper or any surface in any way. It's very important for the kids. After doing scribbling, they can improve their stability in the lines, hand movements, finger movements, wrist movements. So here I am showing you in the which ways they can do the scribbling. The basic shapes like the circle, triangle and square, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So daily you need to do a scribbling at least 5 minutes before starting any drawing. If you will do daily, you can feel that how can you improve your lines, shapes and your figures. Now we have to do activity with the basic geometrical shapes like a circle, square, triangle, cone, rectangle, half circle, oval, cylinder, hexagon, pentagon and many more other shapes you can use. Small kids group, they can draw in the 2D way. This is the level 1. Only the shapes they have to draw and they can color it with different colors, which colors they like. So they will get some exercise to draw the shapes and they have to color it. So this is the level 1 and this is the we call this is level 1 and 2D shapes. So we are going for the level 2, that is 2D with a perspective view, we call as a 3D shapes. These are the basic shapes in the 2D way and this is the we will go for the perspective. If we'll see the triangle in perspective view, we can see in the pyramid shape, cube and the ball. We have to show the light and shades, means darkness, dark, light and medium tones. We have to show the tones. So here I shown how to draw the shapes and how to shade it. You have to use 3 shades for each object, that is light, medium and dark. This is the level 3. We have to do it with the basic shapes only. If basic shape will turn in a particular angles, how we can see it? We have to imagine that and we have to draw the linear drawings only. This is the basic forms. This side I have shown if it will turn at the side, how it will look, how we can feel the shapes. In that way, triangle, square, even circle I have shown here. If we will make it flat, little cross, then little more cross and then flat, how it will look, according to that I made these drawings here. So you just observe these drawings. Later on after this video I will share images too. So you can copy, you can observe the shapes how I made it here and you try to draw it yourself.